Hello, my name is Hossam Salib. I am with IP Infusion. And today I'd like to answer the question, what will fiber disrupt next? And fiber, as we all know, is now getting to every home. And fiber has been in the head end for many years. And the challenge now that's being faced, that we're all facing, is what do you do for the middle mile? How do you make the connection between hold upon and different technologies to the home and the head end and central office? And this is where the fiber can disrupt that middle mile and provide many ways to aggregate and bring in all this traffic and transport it for many, many miles to be, again, brought into data centers, brought into head ends, and brought into central offices. And what we do in IP Infusion is disaggregate the traditional solutions that carriers have been using for many years. They've been using traditional proprietary switches that are very expensive, not really designed to be an outside plant, not hardened. And this aggregation of the software from the hardware allows carriers to pick and choose the best software and the best hardware solutions that can solve their middle mile challenges. It is a big challenge. You're aggregating all this new fiber to the home traffic. You're bringing it into different places, from your data centers to your head ends to the central offices. And having a flexible, disaggregated solution should significantly reduce the cost and help make it an easy transition to fiber everywhere.